Light rainfall was reported at 6 stations in Goa as on today morning. So this rainfall was basically due to a trough, a weather system called trough, that was there from Chhattisgarh to South Konkan region, and there was another circulation at North Interior Karnataka. Still there is one circulation over coastal Karnataka region. Because of that, we are expecting light rainfall, light to moderate rainfall over Goa for coming 2 more days. And another major system that is existing in Bay of Bengal now, southeast Bay of Bengal, we have a cyclonic storm which is named as Fani. It is pronounced Fani, even though it's spelled as Fani. So that system now is in the stage of cyclonic storm. We are expecting, IMD is expecting that cyclonic storm to get intensified into condition of very severe cyclonic storm. So we are expecting the cyclone to move towards Chennai coast. That means in the direction of northwest direction, that is going to move northwest direction up to May 1st, and then it is going to recurve towards Orissa coast. So at this moment, that cyclone is around 800 to 900 kilometers away from Chennai coast. We are not expecting the cyclone to have landfall in Chennai or Vishakhapatnam. The cyclone system is going to move towards Orissa coast. Concerned about Goa's weather, this cyclone is not going to have any major impact on Goa's weather.